Hello, thank you for joining me on another interesting edition of Sermon from the Kitchen. If you are enjoying my recipe, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so now. And on today's menu, I'll be teaching on how to make peri peri chicken. Let's start right away. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 chicken thighs. You want to add some salt. The chicken is already washed and clean. Add some salt. Sprinkle on some black pepper. Flip the other side. Repeat the process, the same process. Some salt, black pepper. Nice. Give a good massage. Make some cuts on the chicken to allow the spices and the seasonings to get into the chicken. Nice. We are going to set it aside for it to marinate for about 5 minutes as we prepare the other ingredients. Now we want to make the peri peri sauce. In a blender, nicely chopped red bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, 5 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, some herbs. You can use parsley or coriander according to your taste. I'll be using parsley, 1 Caribbean chili. You can also use red chili. For the dry ingredients, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of black powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredient, the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 spoonsful of olive oil. You can also use any vegetable oil of your choice, but I prefer olive oil because it's healthy. And our peri peri sauce is ready. Pour the peri peri sauce onto the chicken that have been seasoned with salt and black pepper. Go in with your clean hands, mix thoroughly. Nice. Now you are going to marinate for 2 hours or even overnight if you have enough time. The more time you give the chicken to marinate, the more flavor the chicken becomes at the end of the cooking. And I'm reminded of something of Mark 1:35 that says, "And in the morning, rising up a great while before day, he went out and departed into a solitary place and there prayed." And that is the account of Jesus. Jesus spends time with the Father. So also us as believers, take time, like the chicken, spends time to marinate with all the spices and gets in all the flavor. When you spend time, quality time with the Lord in prayers, in studying the word, in communion, you get the fullness of God, and it takes you to higher realm and encounters with God. So viewers, take time, set yourself apart, commune with God, fellowship with God, and you see the fullness of God in your life, and He also gets the whole of you. God bless you. In a skillet, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. We are going to sear on each side for about 5 minutes each. Transfer into a baking tray. At this point, the chicken is not yet thoroughly cooked. So we are going to grill for about 35 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Add more of the sauce to it. Nice. At 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. Nice. After 15 minutes, we want to baste our peri peri chicken by adding more peri peri sauce on it. Nice. Return for another 20 minutes. Nice. And our peri peri chicken is ready. Looking so yummy. Sprinkle on some sliced spring onions. Nice. Hello, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mama.
Hello, Apostle.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you.
So here we have peri peri chicken.
Awesome.
Served with fried rice.
Awesome.
Some vegetables and some sauce.
Awesome.
I'm sure my viewers want to know how it tastes.
Peri chicken.
Oh. Yes. Peri chicken.
Wow.
How does it taste?
Very sumptuous and yummy.
Wow, thank you. Thank you.
Very.
And
Awesome.
Apostle?
Yeah. Wow, this is awesome.
Thank you.
Sumptuous.
Thank you.
And very delicious.
Thank you.
You need to try this.
Wow, thank
Wow,
you.
thank you so much.